Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S25 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find password and security. Then let's tap on fingerprint, and before that we will have to set a regular screen lock. So if you've got one, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you have to add it right now. So let me quickly add the pattern and confirm it. So here we've got the notification content and finally the fingerprint. So now let's tap on add fingerprint, and here we've got the instructions. So we have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located on the power button of our device on the right side. So let's simply tap on next, and now we have to put our finger on the sensor. And right now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Alright, and tap on finish. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, or check all added fingerprints. Here we can also decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, and how to unlock our device. So either touch the power button or press it. So it's up to you, but the first option is much more comfortable. Alright, in my opinion. Alright, so let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.